This is the best co-working space I found near the beach in Palomino. Just 5 minutes away from the beach, you will find Casa Chapulín. It has various areas to work from as desks, couches, hammocks, and even this shaded spot under a huge tree. See this incredible view? I saw some squirrels and birds while I was on some calls. But my favorite part was meeting people around the world who also work remotely as me. This is the first place I found where coffee and water are free, but they also offer a day pass that includes breakfast and yoga class for just $50. Oops, $15. I decided to try one of their private suites, and this was my view. The suite has its own desk, AC, and a spacious bathroom. And I paid $90 per night. But what really makes this place the best in Palomino is their internet. They have a Starlink and power generator, and believe me, this is super helpful in a place where outages happen weekly. So would you want to work just steps from the beach? Casa Chapulín is the best option for you. Follow me if you want to see my journey working and traveling around Colombia.